guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roche. Welcome to beautymagz. In today's video, we are going to test this product from Sansan, and this is my very first time using their products, so I am very excited. I am a foundation addict, so I am very excited. So for the price for this is 250 pesos, and it says here Sansan High Definition Cover All Liquid Foundation, and I got in the shade Natural Beige. So when I get into the store, they only have 3 colors. I think it was natural beige, and olive. I think so. Alright, so I test all of it except for olive. Dogs are barking. And the sales lady swatched on me on my neck. This appears to be white, and eventually it blends or absorbs to the skin and it matches. So hopefully it will not oxidize throughout the day. I'm not very sure, but we'll test it out today. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Very travel friendly. And this product contains, I don't know how much ml. When you open it up, it has a cap, which is very good. Basically all plastic. Okay, for 250 pesos, basically like $5, you can expect things would be metal, things would be, you know, different packaging wise, because when you have a price like that, of course there's something that's gonna be cheap, okay, with packaging. But all in the how they present themselves with this product, I'm impressed. Okay, purple, very trendy. I like it. All right, let's go in. So when I tried to swatch it the very first time, I can show you in the clip here that it's a bit white, and then eventually I don't know, it blends to the skin very well. Actually, I do love the consistency of the product. It's not runny, so for me it's just my kind of taste. Okay, so I like it. And for my face right now, because parang getting ready na rin to, guys. Okay, but I'm gonna be wearing very minimal today. I'm just gonna be wearing, you know, this foundation, some blush, eyebrow and lips, and that's it. I don't want to do with my eyes. The mirror I have here is from Maybelline, okay, which one of my favorite right now. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this mirror as a mirror, the product on top of my brush. Alright, so this is e.l.f. brush, the ultimate blending, which is one of my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna dot it here, and then let's see how it goes. See, it's a bit white, right? Or light, not white though, light. Okay, if you can see, I will not going to make this like a full coverage because I will be in the dentist. So I just want to even it out, okay? And also I'm gonna be in the immigration today, so I don't want to really like use a lot of thing on my face. All right, okay, so that's how it goes. It's very light, unscented. There's no scent. Okay, and this is what the foundation looks like. It's a little bit dewy, huh? Or like it has that luminosity. Okay, so if you're dry skin, I think this is a good foundation, and it doesn't sit on top of the skin, which is really good. Does it cover everything? No. My blemish here is still picking through here and there. My redness is still there, very natural. But for me, this foundation, I like it. Hopefully it will stay on, right? I need to put something here on my neck just to make sure. Another pump, a little, you know, half a pump, or barely anything there, just to give you an idea. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Actually, it's good, don't you think? In here, undertone, yes, it's good. It's not yellow, it's not pink, it's in between. Well, it really depends on your skin, but for me this time, Okay, now it absorbed the skin. It's like my natural skin right now, and it evens it out. Do you think so? I think I like it. Okay, hopefully it will last. Okay, and I will fix this side over here, and let's proceed. Okay, and I need to get more pump, just make sure. And very easy to work with, very light. The smell, it doesn't have anything in there. I like it so far, and it doesn't really like setting on top of your skin. It's not even patchy, which is really good, right? Or it breaks or something. So coverage wise, medium coverage. Oh no, medium high. Okay, I think it can cover everything if I add more, but I will not, because I wanted my face to be a little bit more, just even it out, because I'll be facing a few people today and I don't want to be like cake face. Okay, so far so good. I do like it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, just very minimal. Okay, alright, I'll be right back. Hi guys, ito na yung face natin. Okay, so I just set my face a little bit of Maybelline Superstay powder foundation here. Okay, and just those shiny. Okay, and I brushed my teeth. There's a little bit separation here, but anyway, I'll be in the dentist, so this will gonna go away. So we're just gonna be focusing on how can last here in the side and also on top, but I know it's gonna be messy in the dentist right now, so we'll see. Okay, and I don't have time now with my hair, so just ponytail na lang kasi nagmamadali na nyo. I'm gonna do I don't have time to fix my hair because I'm going to a bus right now. My appointment is 11, and yan, as my son has school, so my husband will gonna pick him up, so instead I'm just gonna be riding a bus. Okay, so we'll see. It's really good, so we can test it out in a very hot, humid weather, if this can or if this foundation can last. Okay, so might as well try this out. And so far maganda naman siya, no? Okay, lipstick is the Maybelline Superstay, which is now my go-to, and I also top with that with a lip balm. It's not too drying on my lips, but I'm gonna be working, or the dentist is gonna be working on my lips, so I don't want it to really get messed up later, so it's easy to remove when they work on me today. Okay, so I'm gonna head now to the best station, or how you call that, somewhere over there. Okay, see you. Hi guys, dito na tayo sa SM Seaside. Yan, ganda, no? Ganda ng foundation, ah. Parang fresh na fresh. Elevator tayo guys. Punta tayo muna sa dentist natin. Baka late tayo. I don't wanna be late, and I want this teeth to get fixed fast. Parang puti-puti niya, no? But my skin, parang puti siya. Hindi siya nag-oxidize. It's been like, I don't know, I think it's an hour already. 1 hour. Over an hour. Looking good, looking good. Done, guys. Okay, so done na tayo. Then we're gonna go eat.
Careful about this.
Very blind, Dad.
Daddy. Hey guys, so this is what our face looks like for 8 hours. It's not bad actually. Ganda naman siya. But I have some shines on the face, and it doesn't really like breaking up or anything. My redness is peeking through already. For 8 hours with no touch-up, and it looks like this. For 250 pesos, I think it's a good deal. So if you just like set your foundation with a and a good like setting powder, like maybe here Maybelline and Superstay, like that, and then setting spray, this foundation can last. I do like it, and yeah, I have been running around for 4 different stores, in and out in a garage where it's very hot. And this is what my face looks like. I think it's a good buy, and it doesn't really oxidize on me, and the foundation stays home pretty good. I do like it. I do have redness here. Hi guys, I'm back for a final check-in, and the time right now is, I don't know if you can see, is 8:29. The makeup is already wearing off. It's about 11 hours, I think. I'm very haggard right now. I got a long day, waking up at 7 and getting ready by 8:30, and so, you know, it's been a very busy day, and this is what my face looks like, right? So as you can see, the shine is not too bad. I mean, 8:30, and I was done by 9 something. Right, basically. So this foundation for my skin does work. It could probably, the products that I'm using before, all the skincare, I don't feel like I'm wearing foundation. Would I recommend it to everybody? Yes, I would. This is somewhat closer to my L'Oreal, but L'Oreal is a little bit more matte. This time it has luminosity in this one. But is it a good foundation? For me, yes, for my skin tone. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you learned something out from this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also ring that notification bell. You'll be updated every time I make a new video. Okay, thank you so much for watching.